summer. Yeah, I know. That's what I said. Like,
Oh, that wasn't even in summer.
Survived, but he was so sick, like sick, so sick that he threw it up. He threw it up.
Story time.
The dog had to die for no reason. So the dog died.
That was your
And he
story?
was, yeah, he wasn't
Kind of sad. Tragic.
So we could have ate
What's the story?
Was the point, and we wouldn't even.
Oh, I can never do that.
So you're saying I can't eat
Fake story, not a real one. We're gonna be paddle boarding. I'm not sure how good I am, but we're gonna try it in the water, see how skilled we are. Got the nice barbecue going over here with the steak. Woo! That looks good. And we're gonna relax on this one right here.
He's the only one that eats it.
And just chilling, having a good day. Enjoying life. Oh no! It's kind of hard for me. Oh no! There you go. Oh! Why are you clapping?
You guys missed it!
Hey, you're good, you're good. He's laughing over the distance. That's an awesome day right now. Couldn't get better than this. Awesome weather. Stay active.
That could be any one of them.
Yeah. Having fun. Woo! Hell of a day. Nothing but fun, good times. Stay active.